In this lesson, I will explain to you the concepts of representative sample. First, I will explain to you the definition. In a representative sample, the people or items chosen accurately. See, the focus is the people or items we chose, they should accurately reflect the group as a whole. A representative sample is a small quantity of something that accurately reflects the larger entity. An example is when a small number of people accurately reflect the members of an entire population. A small quantity of something such as customers, data, people, products, or materials whose characteristics represent as accurately as possible. See, the focus is on as accurately as possible the entire bag, lot, population, or universe. Now I will explain the concept of representative sample with the help of few examples. Suppose Anne climbed 5 trees throughout each forest in her county. Each forest is the same size, right? So whether it is a representative sample or not, so the answer is yes. And I told you before that if you say yes or no, there should be some explanation or some logic behind it. So the explanation is since Anne divided the trees into equal size groups by forest and then chose an equal number of trees from each forest, it is a representative sample. Second example is suppose Bina explored 4 hiking trails in each county in her state. Each county has an equal number of hiking trails. So again the answer is yes. Yes, it is a representative sample. Since Bina divided the hiking trails into equal size groups by county and then chose an equal number of hiking trails from each county, it is a representative sample. Third example is suppose Calvin asked 10 random students in the lunch line if they would be willing to discuss what they plan to buy for lunch. So 2 of them said yes. So it's a representative sample or no? So the answer is no. Because in a representative sample, the people or item chosen accurately reflect the group as a whole. Since the students who chose to participate might not be similar to the students who didn't, because out of 10 only 2 students says yes, so it is not a representative sample. So I hope that the representative sample is clear, but if still you have any question, you can write down in the comments section and I will try my best to answer it. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel on YouTube, Sci My Academy, and thanks for watching it.